For homeowners seeking a practical home window upgrade, Gaithersburg, modern sliding windows Gaithersburg deliver convenience, curb appeal, and dependable performance in every season. Residential sliding windows. Gaithersburg are popular across Kentlands, Lakelands, Quince Orchard, and downtown Gaithersburg because they open smoothly, save space, and complement traditional and contemporary homes alike. Whether you need custom sliding windows, Gaithersburg for a unique opening or affordable sliding windows. Gaithersburg for a budget-conscious remodel, local sliding window experts in Gaithersburg MD can match style, function, and energy goals. Many families choose insulated sliding windows, Gaithersburg and weatherproof sliding windows. Gaithersburg to improve indoor comfort throughout humid summers and cold Maryland winters. Custom solutions are often the best fit for homes with unique dimensions or design goals, and custom sliding windows. Gaithersburg help homeowners personalize ventilation, views, and aesthetics. From horizontal sliding windows, Gaithersburg in family rooms, to modern sliding windows, Gaithersburg in remodeled kitchens, custom configurations can align with both architectural style and daily use. Homeowners planning a sliding window retrofit, Gaithersburg, or home window upgrade Gaithersburg, often choose tailored designs to maximize natural light and improve usability. In neighborhoods like Lakelands, Kentlands, and Quince Orchard, custom options support both upscale renovations and practical replacements. Trusted sliding window company in Gaithersburg, Maryland professionals can recommend materials, glass packages, and frame finishes. Energy performance remains one of the biggest reasons residents invest in sliding window replacement Gaithersburg MD. Energy-efficient sliding windows, Gaithersburg and energy-saving sliding windows. Montgomery County MD are designed to reduce heat transfer, improve insulation, and support lower utility bills. Double-pane sliding windows, Gaithersburg and insulated sliding windows for homes in Gaithersburg, Maryland, are ideal for families who want year-round efficiency. In areas like Durwood MD and Montgomery Village near Gaithersburg, double-pane sliding windows near Durwood MD and residential sliding window contractors Montgomery Village near Gaithersburg help homeowners modernize older properties. Weather-resistant sliding windows in Gaithersburg, Maryland also help protect interiors from wind, moisture, and seasonal temperature swings. A quality installation makes all the difference, and sliding window installation Gaithersburg MD should always be handled by experienced professionals. Trusted sliding window company in Gaithersburg, Maryland teams measure openings accurately, recommend suitable materials, and ensure a secure fit that supports long-term performance. Homeowners searching for sliding window contractors. Gaithersburg or Best Sliding Window Services in Gaithersburg MD often prioritize craftsmanship, clean installation, and product knowledge. Horizontal sliding windows. Gaithersburg are especially popular for bedrooms, kitchens, and living spaces due to their simple operation and broad views. From single home projects to full home sliding window renovation in Lakelands, Gaithersburg, professional installers help prevent leaks, drafts, and alignment issues. Vinyl remains a leading material choice because vinyl sliding windows Gaithersburg combine durability, low maintenance, and affordability. A vinyl sliding window company in Gaithersburg, Maryland can provide solutions for both new installations and sliding window retrofit Gaithersburg projects, making it easier to update older homes without major structural changes. Homeowners in Washingtonian Center Gaithersburg and Rio Gaithersburg often prefer custom sliding windows in Washingtonian Center Gaithersburg or sliding window glass replacement near Rio Gaithersburg when improving appearance and efficiency. Vinyl frames resist moisture and are easy to maintain, which makes them a smart fit for busy households. Affordable sliding window replacement in Montgomery County continues to attract homeowners who want dependable value. Glass problems can compromise safety and comfort, making sliding window glass replacement Gaithersburg a valuable service for cracked, foggy, or inefficient panes. Sliding windows Gaithersburg are common choices when homeowners want to preserve the frame while renewing the glass. Double-pane sliding windows. Gaithersburg can resolve issues with insulation, condensation, and outside noise, especially in busy residential areas near downtown Gaithersburg and Crown. For larger upgrades, insulated sliding windows. Gaithersburg and weatherproof sliding windows. Gaithersburg combines stronger thermal performance with sleek design. These improvements support a more comfortable interior while enhancing the appearance of residential sliding windows. Gaithersburg. Neighborhood-specific service matters, and sliding window installers near Kentland's Gaithersburg understand the needs of local homes, styles, and building expectations. Whether the project involves sliding window replacement near downtown Gaithersburg MD, premium sliding window upgrades in Quince Orchard, Gaithersburg, or custom sliding windows. Gaithersburg, a local sliding window company, Gaithersburg can provide more personalized scheduling and recommendations. Gaithersburg, Maryland. Sliding window specialists also serve nearby communities including Germantown, North Potomac, Rockville, Montgomery Village, and Durwood. For homeowners comparing options, working with local sliding windows, Gaithersburg MD experts often means faster response times, familiar service areas, and solutions tailored to Maryland homes.